Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we will be learning how to implement JWT Authentication by building some routes. First of all, please ensure that you have a running instance of Kinesis API, or if you want, you can access Kinesis API by using the demo instance as well. First of all, we want to create a new project, so head over to projects, click on create a new project, we'll call it authentication. We'll set the ID to auth. The API buff will be auth as well, and the description you can put anything you like. Next, go to the project. First, create a new collection. We will call it accounts. The ID will be accounts as well, and the description you can put anything you like. Go to the collection, and we will create three structures to represent data in this collection. First, create the UID structure. Both name and ID will be UID. The type will be integer. Minimum will be 0, maximum 1000. Default value will be 0, and it should be unique. Next, create username. Minimum of 4, maximum of 100. Should be text, and it should be unique as well. Finally, create password. Should be type of password. Minimum of 8, maximum of 100, and it doesn't need to be unique. Now head over to data, go to the authentication project, and in the accounts collection, just create a new data object. You can put username, anything you like, and password as well. Your ID can be set to another value you like. Click on create to save the data object. Next, head over to routes, and in the authentication project, you will want to create a new route. The first one will be login. The API path will be /login as well. The route method will be post. The JWT authentication section will be left blank. Same for URL parameters. For body, we will add 2. Both of them should be string. One will be username. The other will be password. Next, we will build out the flow. Add a fetch block. The local name should be _accounts. The reference collection should be accounts. Add a filter block. The local name should be _matching accounts. The reference variable should be _accounts. The reference property should be username. Add a filter. Should reference a string named username. The operation type should be equal to. Now add the property block. The local name should be _matching accounts length. It should reference an array named _matching accounts. The property apply should be length. Under condition block, the action should be failed. The status should be 404. The message should be user found. And you will want to add one condition with two operands. One will reference the matching account's length integer variable. The other one won't be a reference, but will be an integer with a value of 1. The condition type should be less than. Next, add the property block. The local name will be underscore found account. The data should reference an array named matching accounts. The property apply should be get first. Add another property. The local name will be underscore saved password. The data will reference an other named underscore found account. And the property apply should be get property, and additional should be password. Add the condition block with one condition. Add two operands. Both of them will reference string values. The first one will be password. The second one will be saved password. The condition type will be not equal to. The action will be failed. The failed object will have a status of 401. The message will be invalid password. Add the property block. The local name will be underscore UID. The data will reference an other named found account. The property apply will be get property, and additional will be UID. Add the function block. The local name will be underscore JWT. The function will be generate JWT token. Add one parameter. It should reference a string named underscore UID. Finally, create a return block. Add two object pairs. The first one will be UID. The second one will be JWT. And both of them will reference a string. The first one will be underscore UID. The second one will be underscore JWT. Click on create to make the route. Click on create new to make a new route. We will call it verify. The API path will be /verify as well. The route method will be get. The JWT authentication will set it to active. For the field, we'll put it to UID. The reference collection will be accounts. The delimiter for the URL parameter section will be ampersand. We'll add one parameter that we will call UID, and it will be an integer. Now we'll build out the flow. First, add a fetch block. The local name will be underscore accounts. The reference collection will be accounts. Add a filter block. The local name will be underscore matching accounts. The reference variable will be underscore accounts. The reference property will be UID. Add one filter. It should reference an integer named UID. The operation type will be equal to as well. Add the property block. The local name will be underscore found account. The data will reference an array named underscore matching accounts. and the property apply will be get first. Add another property block. The local name will be underscore username. The data will reference an other named underscore found account. The property apply will be get property. Additional will be username. Finally, add a return block. In the return block, add two object pairs. The first one will be message. It won't be a reference, it will be a string. Data will be authentication succeeded. The second one, the ID should be username. It should reference a string named underscore username. Click on create to make the route. Now head over to the playground page. Go to the authentication project. We will test the login route first. If you click on send, you should get an error. Try putting a username and a password. It should work as expected, where you get the JWT and the UID returned as a response. If the username is incorrect, you'll get a 404 and the user is not found. If the password is incorrect, you should get a 401 with a message invalid password. For now, just copy the correct JWT tokens that you obtained. Go to the verify route. Put the JWT token in the authorization field. And UID should be your actual UID. So for me it is 8. Click on send. And you should get a message that the authentication succeeded. And your username is returned as well. If you don't specify an authorization token, you will get an error. Or if the authorization token has been tampered with, you will get the same error again. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. Some next steps that you will want to do include maybe adding a route so that users can register themselves. You can also add some role-based access control. You can create more protected routes that use the authentication logic. You can even add refresh tokens so that sessions can last longer. Do note that Kinesis API is evolving quickly and new features are constantly being developed. We plan to have a dedicated authentication block in the future where it's going to be drastically simpler to implement authentication in your routes. If you have some feedback, please reach out to us. And again, we urge you to consult the documentation to learn about all the features of the platform and to understand how everything works. Thank you.